This product brings real innovative features in the world of supervision. These innovative features are based around three topics. First, the ergonomics with a new human-machine interface and 3D dynamic views. Secondly, the consistency of the supervision data through real-time synchronization with our systems. And finally, an help to seat building management through a set of tools such as electronic logbook, fire permits editing, and simulation of fire safety control system scenarios.
The HMI is designed to provide an instantly accessible overview of the state of the site through the 3D X-ray view, a summary of currently active devices, an instantly accessible logbook, as well as shortcuts to the software suite, fire permit, logbook, history event log. Whereas MapSkit is solely a 2D tool, 3D Maps View opens the way to 3D dynamic rendering. On the basis of AutoCAD drawings or plans of your choice, PDF, JPEG scanned drawings, etc., you can easily build and model your site inside the editor integrated in 3D Maps View.